Okay. So today we are going to take an interview of snap interview of Nipun, and this is for the preparation of NIC, right?
Yes, sir. Energy scientist.
Yes, NIC Scientist B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, let's start, Nipun. Let me ask you some basic questions in the earlier part of the interaction, and then I will ask some difficult questions after that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Nipun, tell me, what do you mean by an operating system?
Operating system is a software package that act as intermediate between hardware and user. So it does various processes like it resource management, process management, storage management, memory management, and security. And it increases the throughput also.
Okay. And why specifically you want to operate an operating system? Like without operating system, these tasks can be performed, right? With a single embedded operating system. But why do you want a flexible operating system?
So increase the throughput because the number of processes can be increased at a particular time. Execution of process per unit time increases means to increase throughput. That's why.
Okay. And can you name some different kinds of operating system you have worked on?
Uh,
Not
I
as an
worked on.
examples. I am asking for the ones which you have worked on.
Okay, I work. Oh, I worked on Windows, only Windows.
Okay,
But
only Windows.
yes,
Okay, and do you know shell scripting in Windows?
shell scripting, sir. I have done some Unix command also for scheduling the PHP pages, but shell
Mhm.
scripting not done.
Okay, what kind of commands you have executed for PHP?
PHP commands like echo, then MySQLi connect database, then
So you have
MySQL.
just used those commands only which are required for your MySQL and PHP integration and other part of this PHP and MySQL only, right?
Yes, and then I use some command like YI gang, CC copy, CD command. These are Unix commands. These are used
Right, right,
for
right.
scheduling. Some commands that I also use.
Okay, okay. Can you differentiate between different classes of operating system?
Yes, there are different types of operating system. First is batch operating system, then
Mm-hmm,
multi programming operating system,
mm-hmm.
time sharing operating system, but real time operating system, distributed operating system. So, time sharing operating system, there is a particular time for a process. Like a process will be executed for a particular time quantum. After that, next process will come. And in batch operating system, this is like a first come first serve. Like when the first process will executed, then only the second process will come. So
Okay.
then real time
And
operating
what is the
system
drawback of batch operating system?
drawback is the starvation. Starvation. Like suppose if a process is taking too much time, then
Mm-hmm.
the other process will be waiting for that operating system, and it will cause starvation.
Okay, I will give you a case study, and you need to tell me like what kind of operating system is being used in that environment. Okay, I
Yes,
will
sir.
give you one example.
Yes, sir.
So suppose there is a computer, and I have sent a task for printing. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
the printing is being executed.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I want to perform a different task.
Yes,
So,
sir.
but computer is not allowing me to perform another task, and it
Yes.
is all busy in printing or printer only. So
Yes,
what
sir.
kind of operating system is being
Batch
used in
operating
this?
system. Batch operating system. Batch operating
Mhm.
system. Batch.
And how to eliminate this kind of starvation in batch operating system?
This can be by a time quantum, like after a particular time, it can be switched to other process.
So you mean to I mean you want to introduce time quantum for a batch operating system, but in suppose while printing you allow only 2 seconds of printing, and the printing requires 10 seconds. So what will happen in that case?
That
This
can be
technique
cause
will
disruption. Yes,
fail.
sir.
This
So we
technique
can
will
create
fail,
a
right?
system call, like we can process, we can get another process system
Mm,
call. Like we can call four system calls of it, so a child process will be created. So one on one main process, the main printing can happen. Another process, the next process can never happen.
there is no concept of child and fork in batch operating system. Okay, so let's move on to next question.
Yes, sir.
Um okay, tell me the differences between time sharing operating system and multitasking operating system.
Okay. In time sharing operating system, a process will be executed for a particular time, and after that another process will come of time quantum. In a multi-process environment system, like many processes, a piece of means different parts of processes are executing at a particular time.
I'm not asking multi-process. I'm asking multitasking and multitasking and time sharing.
Oh, sorry,
Differences
sorry.
between yeah.
Time sharing I have explained, sir.
Yeah.
And in multitasking, like more and more processes that should be provided in the ready state, so that the CPU has at least one process to execute to increase its throughput.
Okay. Okay, Nipun, let me give you one case study again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is a case scenario, and you need to tell me like which case will be helpful for your efficiency. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first is okay. There is a computer and there is an operating system, and
Yes, sir.
two browsers are installed. Okay, Chrome
Yes,
and
sir.
Firefox.
Yes, sir.
Now Chrome uses process per tab. Okay,
Yes,
there
sir.
there are tabs in each browser. Okay, there
Yes,
are
sir.
you can use multiple tabs in a browser, right?
Yes, sir.
So Chrome uses process per tab,
Yes,
and
sir.
Firefox uses threads per tab.
Yes, sir.
So what are the shortcomings of this you can say this technique?
Oh, Chrome uses process per tab, so basically it will decrease the speed. Speed will be compromised because each time process is created per tab, so speed will be compromised. And it can cause starvation also, because if suppose the tab is taking new process is created, process take lot of resources. While in the Firefox, the threads are created, so it will be very much easy. It will be very much faster. It will be very much smoother. But the security is compromised in Firefox, because the core data files are shared. Na security is compromised in Firefox, but in Google Chrome, security is it will be more secure.
Okay, so suppose you launch 30 plus tabs in your Chrome browser, and you launch the same 30 plus tabs in Firefox browser. Okay,
Yes,
forget about security in this case. Just let me know like which browser will load faster.
The thread browser, Firefox browser will load faster, because it is creating lightweight processes.
And what if all those 30 plus tabs are of same URL? Which one will load faster?
If of same URL, then also the header, this will load faster.
Okay. Okay, let's move on to next question, Nipun.
Yes, sir.
Why paging is used?
Paging is used because to utilize non-contiguous memory. Like if suppose paging is not used, then a process comes. Then we have to divide a process into some pieces. Then that division of process is very much costly, and then to store that in secondary memory also, it will be very much costly. So that's why the concept of paging is required, in which the secondary memory is divided into the same size pieces. This is known as pages. And the secondary memory and the main memory is also divided into equal size pieces, which is known as frames, and frame size is equal to page size.
Okay, and what if I use segmentation?
Segmentation, so the size will vary. Like size of each segment can vary, but in the paging, the size of each page is same.
Can you tell me which is faster, paging or segmentation?
Sir, I have to give it a thought about the.
Okay, take your time, no issues.
Paging, sir. So I think paging will be faster, because paging will have fixed amount of slots, fixed amount of size is there. So I think paging will be faster.
Okay. Okay, Nipun, let's move on to next question.
Yes, sir.
So you are going for NIC, right?
Yes, sir, correct.
Right. So suppose in NIC there are large systems, okay, where data is being stored continuously.
Yes, sir.
Because NIC is a very large scale organization which handles servers as well, okay.
Yes, sir.
And there are multiple servers but your superior or your boss says that you want to increase the efficiency or the reading capacity or the reading speed of those server. Okay,
Yes, sir.
basically suppose the NIC server handles 5,000 clients per second. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but they want that with the increase in the disk speed, they want to increase it to 10,000 clients per second. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so what technique will you can think of?
The technique can be,
Because you also know that NIC servers get 500 internal server error frequently, right? Whatever,
yes, sir.
even you check for a simple result for CBSE board or anything like that, it
Yes,
gets
sir.
stuck sometimes, right?
Yes, sir.
But you want to increase the client capacity of that server. So
Yes,
how
sir.
will you proceed with that in respect to disk speed?
This speed, sir, I will use shortest seek time first algorithm because it will take less time.
Mhm.
So
Can you please
short,
justify? Like for with an example, suppose there are two records. Okay, like there is a record for 1 lakh roll number and there is a record for 9 lakh roll number.
yes,
So
sir.
shortest seek time will fail in this case, right?
Yes, sir.
So give me a solid proof or solid proof of concept or solid example which can which where you can use this kind of or you can tackle this kind of situation.
Okay. So what we can do is like we can do so, uh, scan algorithm and sorted seek time. So we can combine the scan and sorted
Mm-hmm.
seek time first algorithm, and we can use in the permutation combination of both as per the situation. That would be more convenient. Like suppose if this is 1 lakh and this is 9 lakh roll number, so in
Mm-hmm.
scan it will immediately come after 9 lakh, it will immediately come to zero position and then it will go.
Mm-hmm.
So that can be used scan and called permutation of scan and sorted secret ties, sorted seek time first algorithm.
Okay. 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 Let's move on to next question then. So with the introduction of paging, okay, with the
Yes, sir.
introduction of paging, what is the I mean, what is the entity which gets increased? Waiting time, execution time, or context switch time?
Like, what are the waiting time and waiting what option waiting time? Second is
Execution time, and third option is context switch time. With the introduction of paging, which will increase?
context switch time.
Okay, please justify.
Sir, like there are so many pages, now it is
Hmm?
dependent. So switching between context will take some time, more
Okay,
time.
okay, okay. Do you have pen and paper?
Yes, I have pen and paper.
Okay. Okay, Nipun, I will tell you one question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you need to actually write down the options. Okay. I will tell you the options.
Yes, sir.
And there can be multiple, I mean, more than one options can be correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first write down the options.
Yes, sir.
First option is graphical user interface.
Yes, sir.
Second option is network management.
Yes, sir.
Third option is device driver management.
Device.
Fourth option is compiler.
Yes, sir.
And fifth option is all the Linux commands.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now listen to the question carefully.
Yes, sir.
So which of the following options is typically a part of operating system but not the kernel? Which of the following is part of operating system and not the kernel?
All you Linux commands
Okay,
and device driver management. I think these two are there.
okay, or
बस सर यही लग रहा है तो I think this two.
okay, 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 Nipun, correct answer is actually graphical user interface, compiler, and all the Linux commands. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Let's move on to next question.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes. Just wait. Okay. Okay, Nipun, can you explain Balladay's anomaly?
Yes, sir. If we increase the number of frames in first come first in the FIFO algorithm, then page representation policy, then the number of page fault increases. That is known as Bilardi's anomaly. Ideally, if the number of frames are increased, the page fault should decrease. But in the case of FIFO, in some cases, it increases. The number of page fault increases. That's
In which
Bilardi's anomaly.
technique? In which technique? FIFO.
The FCFS, first come first serve.
Okay. 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 Nipun, can you explain how reader-writer problem works?
Sir, not know that much about this, but it is
Or
solved.
producer-consumer problem, anything. Like this is a standard problem in operating system, right? Producer-consumer problem or
Yes, sir.
reader-writer problem.
Yes, a producer consumer problems are like producer produce something and consumer is consume at a particular time. So that is a problem. Suppose if a producer doesn't produce and it doesn't have in buffer and consumer consume, so it will create a problem. So that is has solved with the help of the semaphores.
And what is a semaphore?
Semaphore is an integer variable that is used for process synchronization so that the critical section is used wisely.
Okay.
There are two types of semaphores. First are integer semaphore and second is binary semaphore. So
Okay.
in integer semaphore, like this, suppose integer value of integer semaphore is 4. It means 4 processes can come in the critical section. If it is 0, then no process can come into the critical section. If it is in negative,
Semaphores are only used for the safeguarding of critical section, or you can use critical section, I mean, use semaphore for other purposes as well.
process synchronization also be used. Process synchronization and the critical section.
Yes, that's what I'm asking. Like, are semaphores used only for safeguarding the critical section or process synchronization, or there are other applications of semaphore as well?
I think that maybe there will be another application also, but I am not that much aware.
Okay, okay. And do you know like semaphore is implemented using data structures or it is a hardware implementation?
Sir, I have studied only this integer variable, integer and binary semaphore.
Yes, but I'm asking that are semaphores data structures or those are hardware
Data structure.
data structures? And can you implement semaphores using hardware?
I think so, sir. I think maybe.
Okay. Okay, Nipun, tell me one research problem in operating system which you think that is still open. I mean, there is much less work done in that line of work in operating system.
Okay.
Can you name any topic in operating system?
Operating system, computer science, I mean, computer organized in computer science, I can say like artificial intelligence is there. So much of research work in developing like.
No. I'm not asking as in general. I'm asking that any topic in operating system where the research work is more required.
Okay. In increasing the efficiency of virtual memory, so there can be more research can be done, I think.
Okay. Okay, let's not go into that. Let's come back to our Snap interview only. And let me ask another question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I wanted to actually, I will take 1 minute, just 1 minute. I will pause, and there is a numerical I wanted you to solve.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. Let me share the numerical in chat section. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nipun, I have shared the numerical.
Yes, sir. I will solve.
Hmm.
Four, sir. Four. Four answer is four. Hello, sir. Am I
Okay.
audible? Four.
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are audible. But
Yes.
your internet connection is poor. Yes, answer 4 is correct.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And what is the number of units of R such that deadlock is prevented?
Deadlock prevention. Four, sir. Four. Four. If we take four, then deadlock.
That ensures that ensures there will be no deadlock.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the condition that no deadlock will occur. But
Yes, sir.
you want to ensure that, you want to ensure deadlock only. You don't
Yes.
want
If not,
to.
it's not, the maximum number also can be three. If there are
Yes,
three resources, three.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Nipun. Let me ask you one more question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the consequences of using smaller time quantum and larger time quantum?
Sir, if we use smaller prime quantum, then there would be more context switches, which can
Okay.
lead to decrease in throughput. And if you use large time quantum, then it will lead to starvation. Like suppose the process is waiting, so it process will wait for a very long time.
Okay. Okay, Nipun, let me share you one image and you need to draw a Gantt chart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will send you a table and you need to draw the Gantt chart.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on. I have shared one link.
Yes, sir. I'm opening.
Open the second link, not the first one. Open the second link.
Second link, okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please draw the Gantt chart for this table.
Which algorithm, sir? Which algorithm is used?
Pardon, please?
Which is first come, first serve is used or?
Yes. First come, first serve. FCFS.
Okay, first person. Sir, P3, first will be P3, then P1.
No, you need to show me in camera. You need to draw the Gantt chart and show me in camera.
Okay. The writing is not that much good. Okay, sir. I will,
No, take your time. Don't worry. We have time.
okay, sir. I thought I have to tell only the sequence. Now I will draw the Gantt chart. Okay, sir. Shall I?
Just show me in camera, in your webcam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just hold on. 2 to 3 is block, and 7 to 10 is P5, and 13 to 14. You have not drawn 13 to 14.
So 13 to 14, so sorry. हाँ 32, then पे 32. One is left, huh? P1, P2, P3, P4. P4 is there. हाँ P4, 13 to 14. Yes.
Yes,
Sorry,
yes. It's correct. It's correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, Nipun, do you know topological sort?
Topological sort. No, sir.
Okay, and what kind of algorithm? Okay, let's reframe this question. Like, suppose there are two processes
Yes, sir.
which are in deadlock. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so how will you try to solve that process?
Okay, sir. I will first break the condition of the deadlock,
Mhm,
like on the condition of deadlock. So in
mhm,
this way, the process one process will get executed after some time, and then
mhm.
similarly, then after that, it will should release some sources, and then another process will be executed.
Okay, so you know how to make resource allocation graph, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so given a resource allocation graph,
Yes, sir.
okay, with just edges and nodes, how
Yes,
will
sir.
you solve that question? How will you solve that graph?
Sir, I will make like suppose if a process is requesting that
Mm-hmm.
resources, so
Mm-hmm.
it will point to that resource that it is
Right.
pointed. Process will
Mm-hmm.
point to the resource, and if a resource is allocated, then it means that a resource will resource from resource to the process it will point to an arrow, and resource is represented by rectangle, and
Mm-hmm.
process is represented by a circle.
Okay.
And if it is a single instant resource and there
Mm-hmm.
is a cycle, then there is a deadlock. If single
Right.
instant resource is there, if a multiple instant resource is there and there is a cycle, there may be possibility of deadlock.
Yes,
Deadlock.
but how will you solve that cycle? That's what I'm asking. With given graph,
Sir,
there
I
is a
will
direct.
first
So
I
there is a
will
directed acyclic graph. Okay.
yes, sir.
Given directed acyclic graph, you need to resolve that deadlock.
Yes, sir. So first I will solve the processes which require the least resources.
Mm-hmm.
So that can be executed by and then release that the resources, and then
Mm-hmm.
similarly then the next process will be solved in that
Right.
order, and in
Mm-hmm.
this way I will solve, sir.
Right, right. But you are not actually getting the exact algorithm name. The exact algorithm name is topological sort. This
Overall, sir.
technique is called as topological sort. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is also used in the transactions control management in
Yes, sir.
DBMS.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, Nipun, your Snap interview is done, and let me give you the feedback now.
Yes, sir.
So देखो निपुण, तुम्हारा लाइक कंसेप्ट पे कमांड अच्छा है.
Yes, sir.
तुम्हें अगर कोई डीप में पूछता है तो तुम नहीं दे पाते हो आंसर. मतलब
Yes, sir.
अगर जैसे कि मैंने तुमसे एक ही टॉपिक से कंटिन्यूस 4 क्वेश्चन पूछे तो तुम 4th क्वेश्चन पे अटक जाते हो.
Yes,
ओके,
sir.
विच इज ओके, लाइक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें,
Yes,
बट
sir.
तुम थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करते रहो. ठीक है, मतलब
Yes, sir.
थियोरेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे प्रैक्टिस करते रहो.
Yes, sir.
बाकी तुम्हें नॉलेज तो है, और साथ में तुम्हें ये देखना रहेगा कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के अलावा जो इससे निकलते हुए टेक्नोलॉजीज है, ठीक है, ऑपरेटिंग
Yes, sir.
सिस्टम से निकलते हुए, जैसे
Yes,
कि
sir.
मान लो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड नेटवर्क सिस्टम या डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ठीक है,
Sir,
अलग अलग
distributed
टाइप के
network system and
नेटवर्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम,
yes, sir.
एम्बेडेड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, देयर आर मल्टीपल क्लासेस ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ओके,
Yes, sir.
सो ये सब चीजें थोड़ा एक बार चेक कर लेना, क्योंकि
Yes,
वो
sir.
लोग तुमसे इन डेप्थ नहीं पूछेंगे
Yes,
कि
sir.
ये पेजिंग से तो न्यूमेरिकल आ ही नहीं सकता. मतलब
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
तुमसे
Yes, sir.
खाली ये नॉर्मल चीजें पूछी जाएंगी, बट वो भी आंसर आना चाहिए उसके लिए. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
और तुम्हारा ठीक था, मतलब रिस्पॉन्स तो सही है तुम्हारा, मतलब इन डेप्थ है नॉलेज.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, और बाकी ठीक है कर लोगे, बट ये ध्यान रखना कि तुम्हें थोड़ा टाइम भी लेना है, ठीक है?
यस
तुरंत
सर,
रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देना है, भले ही तुम्हें आता होगा बट
यस
तुरंत
सर,
रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देना है। तुम
यस
क्या
सर,
करते हो, तुरंत रिस्पॉन्स देने के चक्कर में तुम कुछ चीजें मिस कर जाते हो।
यस
फटाफ
सर,
तुम्हारे दिमाग में सारे एक साथ डंप हो रहा है
यस सर,
इंफॉर्मेशन, बट तुम्हें
यस सर,
उसको एकदम सारा एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करना।
यस
एक
सर,
एक 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 इन्फॉर्मेशन को पास ऑन करना है धीरे धीरे, ठीक है?
यस सर,
वरना सब मिक्स हो जाएगा।
यस सर,
बाकी तो सही है निपुण।
यस
तुमने
सर।
अभी मॉक इंटरव्यू लगवाया है?
नहीं सर, मॉक इंटरव्यू नहीं लगवाया सर, अभी ऐसे डेट नहीं आई वो इंटरव्यू की, अभी तक पता नहीं कब होगा।
हम्म। और ग्रुप में थोड़ा है ना एक्टिव रहना शुरू कर दो, मतलब जो दूसरे एनआईसी के स्टूडेंट्स है ना,
यस सर,
उन लोगों से भी थोड़ा मतलब इंटरेक्शन करना स्टार्ट कर दो, तो तुम्हें इन्फॉर्मेशन पास ऑन होती रहेगी। अगर एक
यस,
स्टूडेंट के पास भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आएगी तो वो शेयर करेगा सबको, ठीक है?
यस सर,
तो
यस सर,
ग्रुप में इन्फॉर्मेशन पूछना और डालना शुरू कर दो।
यस सर,
हम्म, ठीक है।
यस सर।
ओके निपुण, ओके।
ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
ऑल द बेस्ट।